Transferring money from GO2BANK to the Cash App instantly is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon or balance at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select Linked Banks. Tap Add a Bank and follow the prompts to link your GO2BANK account by providing the necessary account information. Log in to your GO2BANK account through their website or mobile app. Navigate to the Transfer or Send Money section. Choose the option to transfer funds to an external bank account or card. Select your linked Cash App account as the recipient and enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction and complete the transfer. After initiating the transfer from GO2BANK, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Check your Cash App balance to ensure that the transferred funds have been received. If the funds do not appear immediately, wait a few moments and refresh the app to update the balance. Once the funds are in your Cash App balance, you can use them for various purposes, including sending money to others, making purchases with your cash card, or withdrawing to your linked bank account if needed. If you need to send money to someone else via Cash App, you can do so directly from your Cash App balance. Be aware of any fees associated with transferring funds between GO2BANK and Cash App, as well as any potential processing times for the transfer to complete. Ensure that you have linked your account securely and accurately to avoid any errors or delays in the transfer process.